But, Robotech.
It's wrong.
Thank you.
What do you mean?
What?
It's wrong.
You will cook it here.
What?
You don't remember na in Singapore?
No.
We're always doing this one when we have a family time. Maybe you're still young pa kasi. You're only like 2 years old or 3 years old that time.
Juice over here, please. And enjoy.
Yeah, thank you. Just put it anywhere. We'll just cook it later, yeah. Daddy yan. Thank you.
How do I use chopsticks again?
Yes.
Sa Boise ko.
Literally just do this.
Visit po.
Nag-order na po kayo ng rice or something.
Yeah, it's half na. Ay! Oh, yata. Oo. Oo, nag-order ako ng rice.
Make sure na may rice kasi peanut.
Saka bakit ang konti ng mga
Hindi kasi yung iba po, darating po siya.
okay.
Hindi siya.
Ayaw mga answer. Ano na yun? Magluto ka na.
Maanghang.
Korea. Halen. Kimchi, syempre.
Chili face.
Here comes our robot waiter. Natapit. Yeah, yun. There's our potato fries. And salad. Yeah, there. The two. AI robot. Thank you.
Dalawang babae yun?
Mabilis. Yung pinabaan namin kanina. Hindi, ito lang.